Hi everyone, I'm Tamir, member of the engineering team here at Appdome. Appdome helps mobile developers and cyber pros deliver on the toughest problem in mobile app fraud prevention, fast. Let's talk about blocking Android Debug Bridge, ADB in short. ADB is a very powerful command line tool that is intended for use by developers in building, debugging, and troubleshooting Android apps. To pass a pen test, take a bite out of fraud, or make your mobile brand stand out, blocking ADB is an important consideration. It is one of the top attacks you will want to stop to protect your mobile business and users. Here are my top reasons to consider detecting and blocking ADB in your app. First, ADB was designed as a development tool. It can be used to debug apps, run applications in simulations, set breakpoints, and all other kinds of developer actions. It is also a bridge to other dev tools that can be used to extract, inspect, and run code in an app. There is no reason to allow ADB to be used by anyone outside your development environment. 2. ADB is a hacking tool. In the hands of a hacker, ADB can be used for malicious purposes, such as debugging the app, reverse engineering, and app modifications. ADB can also extract sensitive information without root permissions, run as root, and bypass Google's safety net. It is a very powerful tool for hackers. 3. Synthetic fraud. ADB can be used by malicious actors in synthetic fraud attacks. In synthetic fraud, attackers use automated systems to bypass detection, create fake events and inputs, and emulate real users and applications. Stopping the use of ADB in production environment is an important step in stopping synthetic fraud in your Android mobile app. 4. Pen testers. Pen testers and Dust and SAST system have caught on the power of the ADB and have started to use ADB in their cybersecurity evaluations. So if passing this test is important, you should consider adding ADB defense to your Android app. There you go, 4 of the top reasons you should block ADB. If you are looking for a fast and easy way to block ADB, take a look at Appdome. Appdome is an automated build system for mobile app defense. If you find this video useful, please share it with your colleague or friend. Be safe and keep your mobile app and users safe too. Thank you for watching.